So far this month, I've generated about this much money using single Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. In this video, I'll show you how to grow your Pinterest account using a method that I've never seen discussed publicly before. I also demonstrate how to use evergreen search-based affiliate marketing strategies on Pinterest that allow you to make more money regardless of your follower count. To ensure the success of these strategies, you must first optimize your Pinterest account by including the keywords that attract people's interest on your niche. For instance, if I'm targeting health and fitness niche, I must include the relevant keyword in the name of the Pinterest account and in the bio as well. I recommend using specific keywords, and bio must be written in a detail. To edit your profile, simply click on Edit Profile and add the information in the About section. Once your account is optimized, you can add compelling profile picture, or you can say a logo. If you don't have a logo, you can create one by watching my other video. You'll find those video links in the video description. Or you can use Canva free account to create your logo, which offers various templates. Now it's crucial to find an offer to promote within your niche. Many affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, PartnerStack, and others offers numerous opportunities. However, you can also find independent affiliate program by searching for your keyword, followed by affiliate program on Google or maybe any other search engine out there. For example, if I use a platform where people can buy health supplement and I earn 20 to 30% commission on each sale, I need to create a SEO optimized blog post to promote the product effectively. You can write these articles yourself, or you can use this free amazing AI tool. This tool is capable of creating SEO optimized blog post that actually rank on Google. Even though there is 𝗀GPT that can write article for you, but the article written by 𝗀GPT will not be SEO optimized unless you have the expertise in prompt writing and SEO skills. In that case, we will use SEOwriting.ai. Before I show you how to use this tool to get a perfect SEO optimized article, let me grab or search for a product to promote. So within 5 minutes, I finally found a product that is related to my niche. Now open the product page, scroll through the website, and find the main keyword and copy it. In the dashboard of SEOwriting.ai, click on one-click blog post. On the next page, paste your main keyword and click on Generate a Title. Now, you will get your title. Now scroll down and select your language, tone of voice, article size, point of view, target country and model. I'm going to choose this model. Now scroll down under the Media Hub settings. You can include up to 20 images and choose the image style. And you can also include up to 20 videos and choose the layout. Now scroll down under SEO, click on NLP keyword generation. Under the structure, select your hook type. I'm going to select questions. The next section should be the same as mine. Below we have web to connect. This feature helps you to write up-to-date content using search depth technology. You can also include source links. For the demonstration purposes, I'm going to include them, but for this type of article generation, you do not need to include these type of source links, because later in this video we'll add our own affiliate links into this article. Now scroll down and you will see Publish to WordPress option. These features allow you to publish your article directly to your WordPress website, but in this video I'm not gonna use this feature, but still this feature is there if any case you want to use it. And you can also use your own open API key if you're running out of words. And finally, scroll all the way up and click on a Run button. Now wait for this article to be written. Meanwhile, let me show you another scary good feature of this amazing AI tool. You can create up to 100 articles and publish directly to your WordPress site using this bulk article generation. Here you can add up to 100 main keywords, generate the title, NLP keywords, and below change the settings like we did before and create up to 100 articles with one click of button. Amazing, right? And if you check the price of this tool, you can see you can start your pro plan with just $19 a month. And if you use my coupon code, you will get 25% discount on your purchase. Alright, so article has been written. Now open it and you can see everything is there, like videos, images, and this is a SEO optimized article, guys. So copy the entire article. Now go to medium.com, create an account and log in. Now click on the right button and paste your article there. I can copy paste images and videos directly to medium.com. However, if you want to include them, add them manually. Now once you copy paste your entire article to medium.com, now add your affiliate link in the way that makes sense. You can do this by typing the text about your product and then link the text directly to a real product page. Remember, when you add your affiliate link into your article, it feels like natural. Mean by that, you're helping others with your article. You're not spamming in there, okay? So make sure add your affiliate link in the way that makes sense. For example, if you're promoting health and fitness, you can link those items directly within your article. These strategies work with any niche, whether it's fashion, fitness, gaming, or any niche out there. If you don't know where to get your affiliate link, well, there are different approaches for each affiliate program, but let me show you how to get your affiliate link from ClickBank. In your ClickBank account, when you see your affiliate partner, click on the Promote button, select affiliate nickname and link type, and then click on Create button. So this is your affiliate link that you should add inside your Medium article. This Medium article not only brings traffic from medium.com and Google, but it also helps you to grow your Pinterest account. To create a Pinterest pin, you can use Canva free account. In Canva, you can search your niche, click on All Filter, now expand social media, and then select Pinterest pin and select any template of your choice. Edit the template and customize it. Once you're happy with your design, download it and upload on Pinterest.com. Add the title, tags, and in the link section, add your Medium article link. With that, people read the article first before buying the product from your affiliate link. Remember, these strategies require time, efforts, and smart work. Your Pinterest account might take time to grow, but once it's done, it can become a great source of your passive income. I have used this strategy to earn over this much money, and I hope you find this information valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. And thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.